Before now, if you wanted to acquire new customers and engage and sell more products, you'd have to use the same low-converting landing pages that everyone has been using since internet became a thing. And right now, this method doesn't work anymore because it no longer takes care of the more advanced needs of businesses today. Businesses no longer interact with their customers via email alone. They use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, YouTube, Snapchat, and all other social media platforms to drive engagement and sales. In fact, it's no longer news that social media has become the #1 driver of all customer buying decision. This is why relying on landing pages to generate leads and build engagement will put your business 20 years behind your competitors. Because while you're busy trying to gather email leads, your competitors are out there building their social media presence, interacting directly with your customers, dominating your niche with their social content, and selling more products directly to your customers. To stay ahead of the game, you need a solution that can help you grow your leads and followers 10 times faster, engage with your followers, and create viral content that will reach your potential customers no matter where they are on the internet. Look, it doesn't matter what kind of business you're into, whether it's fashion, internet marketing, restaurant, cooking, dropshipping, affiliate marketing, or real estate. You need to constantly grow your social media presence to be able to dominate your niche and generate that easy, cost-free flow of sales. And that is why we built Engagisuite, the first cloud-based lead generation and social media growth and engagement app. With Engagisuite, you can easily build your following, dominate your niche, and build a cult-like following of customers that are ready to swoop everything you want to sell off your hands. Engagisuite can generate up to 10 times better conversions than your average landing page. With Engagisuite, you can build more Facebook following 5 times faster, get real engaged and hyperactive followers on Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and LinkedIn faster than any bot app can help you do. Get your followers to tweet, post, or share your content on all social platforms. Build a viral engagement with your brand from real online users. Grow your email list, and so much more. And it's easy to set up, even a newbie can get it done. In just a few steps, you can set up your first viral lead acquisition and social growth campaign. Listen guys, Engagisuite is the fastest way to build your brand presence online and generate fresh new leads and followers every single day. Nothing else does it this good. You can literally go from 200 unresponsive followers to 5,000 hyper-engaged following with your first campaign. Or generate your first 1,000 active email subscribers, or drive more video views on your YouTube channel. The possibilities are endless. But that's not all. You get real-time analytics of your campaigns, detailed information of your subscribers. You can embed your campaign on your website or just share your unique campaign URL. You can easily connect your autoresponder to Engagisuite to build your email list automatically. Now, here are some of the campaigns created by businesses who are using Engagisuite to drive sales and engagement. Very soon, the power of Engagisuite will be placed into your hands, and you can see your business grow faster than your competitors.